Hi guys, this is Kelia. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. Today's video is going to be a quick clean with me video. I'm also going to be sharing my guest bedroom with you guys. You've never seen my guest bedroom before, so I thought I'll go ahead and share that with you. The timing was perfect because I was contacted by Bedscape.com. It is an American brand that just launched their brand new bed linen. And so I received some beautiful sheets here to use in my guest bedroom. These sheets are designed in New York actually, but they're actually produced in one of the oldest Israeli textile factories, which is pretty cool. So I'm excited to check them out. This collection, as you can see, it is available on their website. They have a variety of colors and fabrics, and so I think you would really find some really nice quality bed sheets here. The sheets are made of 100% long staple cotton, and they are available in two different fabrics, which are the percale and sateen. The percale is a 300 thread count and the sateen is a 350 thread count. I actually went ahead and ordered the percale, and I'm just excited to check them out, see how they feel on this bed. Another great thing about this company is that they don't use any chemicals or GMO in their linen at all. So that's always a great thing. Please take advantage of the free shipping and the returns for all the US orders. Go ahead and look down in my description box and follow the link to take a look. They are also offering 30% off, guys. Everybody loves a discount. I know I do. So 30% off of their linen. You just have to use the coupon code, which is down below. Make sure that you use that in your ordering process so you can get that 30% off. So yes, guys, so this company, Bedscape.com, like I said, check them out. They have really nice quality bed linen. So I'm going to use them in my guest bedroom. Guys, after the holidays, really during the holidays, my guest bedroom usually takes a beating, especially if I don't have any guests, because I put a lot of my decor inside that room. So there's a lot of boxes, there's a lot of bins, there's ornaments everywhere. This time around it was bad. There was boxes and bins everywhere. So the room, it's dusty, there's glitter everywhere, and yeah, it really needed to be touched up. So I'm getting ready to get this room back in tip-top shape. So I just thought I'll bring you guys along with me. If you haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more future videos of mine. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, family. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for supporting and watching my videos. So guys, so yeah, let's go ahead and get this room back together as it should be. Now guys, would you believe that this was a thrifted find? I found this dresser at Habitat for Humanity, and I think I've only paid about $20. It did not look like this. I did repaint it and give it a new finish, but everything else is in the original state. So this was a great deal. Also on this wall here, this is the wall that faces my bed. This empty frame, it is there for a reason. I'm actually going to put a flat screen TV in the center of that. I have not had a chance to get that installed yet, but that's what's going there in that space. So if you want to kind of dress up your TV, find a large empty frame and place that around the TV, and it just gives it a nice finished look. All right, guys, now I wanted to show you these beautiful branches I grabbed from Michael's right before Christmas. These were part of their Christmas floral decor, so I was able to grab about 12 of these for I think maybe $2 each. It was a really great deal. I decided to go ahead and keep these out. I did not pack them up. I thought it just added a really nice touch to the room, just bringing a little winter inside, but the rest of the winter can stay outside because it's cold. But I just thought that this just added a really nice touch to the room. This beautiful vase I found at Salvation Army. I actually I had two, but one just recently got broken, so I just thought I would go ahead and pair this up and use this on the dresser. So now that the room is vacuumed, dusted, glass is clean, everything is done, I'm going to go ahead and get my bed put together. So as you saw in the video, I received these sheets from Bedscape.com, and so I'm excited about it. I'm going to go ahead and see how they feel. Usually I would go ahead and wash the sheets first, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put them on the bed. But before I have guests, whenever that is, I'm not expecting anytime soon. I'll of course wash them then, but for the sake of this video, oh, they feel really good and heavy. These feel really, really good just from the first impression. Open them up. They do have that feel of like a hotel sheets a little bit. Yeah, they do. They really feel good. Really soft to the touch. It's the fitted sheet here. I can already tell they have really deep pockets here. So far so good. So let's go ahead and get the bed made and make a couple little changes in the room, and then we'll be done. With these sheets, they feel really, really good. This is my guest bedroom, so I would not be sleeping in here, but this makes me want to try these sheets out tonight. I'm just saying, but these are really nice quality sheets, and so my guests will really appreciate sleeping in this bed. So thank you to Bedscape for these beautiful sheets. I really, really appreciate the opportunity to review these for you all. So thank you so much. I am so impressed by the sheets. So don't forget to check them out. The link is down below. All right, so I have already done pretty much everything, but there's still some little cosmetic changes. I feel like the wall still feel empty. The opposite wall that have the empty frame, I do have a TV that I'm going to be putting there, so I know that's going to fill up the room a little bit, but this wall is the first wall you see, so I really wanted to pop and make a statement. So I am very good with shopping my own home. So I have some photos that I semi-DIY a couple of months ago that I had downstairs in my living room, and then I put them in my dining room. But now that I'm looking, I think that they will look great in here. So let's go ahead and try them out and see if I should keep them or take them down. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed it. I really love the way the guest room looks now. Thank you so much to Bedscape.com for sending me these beautiful sheets. I love them. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your support as always. See you next time. Bye.